ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ ಡೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಏನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ ಅದು ನೋಡೋಣಪ್ಪ ಕೇಸ್ ಕರೆದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಎಸ್ ಕರಿ. Yes, what it is? Not taking steps in respect of answered court notice to the complainant. Report received from Ministers is good. ಏನು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್?
Insufficient. Left the address insufficient. Complainant.
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇದು ಆದ್ರೇನು
On record, retired from
17/21 left the address insufficient.
retired.
Yes, ma, where is your opponent? We are asking you, where is the complainant? What happened with writ petition? What happened with this RFA? Who is the advocate in that RFA? No, who is the advocate RFA to the complainant?
Yes.
Not taking steps in response to court notice. Notice issued. The complaint returned with insufficient of address. If the complainant is not interested, ಯಾರು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು?
reissue ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. RFA ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೇಮ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ RFA ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. The office is directed to reissue court notice to the complaint in the address shown. Same address adu. Murugan Tires Trading, 37/332 AV Road. Same. ಬಂದಿದೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇನ್ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಂದಲೂ ಸಹ ತಿಳಿದು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Though on 19/2/2020, the 19 to 2020. 18th ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Though on 19 to 2020, the counsel for complaint filed memo for retirement, and on that day, the accused was present before the court. According to matter of court order 18.3. On 18.3, the complaint remained absent. Thereby, this court issued notice. Term number 15/4/2020. Notice issued. The complaint returned with Shara that on 17/8/2021 left the addressee insufficient. The report of the Central Process Rajiv City Civil Court Bengaluru on the same day depicts that he has vacated the address shown in the RFA as well as in the contempt petition. We have no option except to dismiss the complaint contempt petition by default. Yes.
My lords, for the complainant, my lords. I'm for the complainant, my lords.
Yes.
The accused has to file a memo in regard to payment of.
Yes, accused. Shankar. Benevolent to file a claim having deposited amount 10,000 per month. Also, along will issue warrant. Senior counsel. Rasakina ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ತಾರ್ರಿ. D.R. Ravishankar senior counsel. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So, yes. That's what is this non-filing of memo?
I appear for complainant, my lord. The lordship kindly give me 8 days time. I'll produce it before your Supreme Court order.
Now they are producing. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು ಅದಾವುದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕೈಲಾಗಲ್ಲ. Yes. There is special different dispose in terms of signed order ತಾಕಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Because by way of the settlement, because the special interest,
ಹಾ.
order of the previous and operating procedure, page 46. Contempt, first of all,
ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ ಅವ್ನು. Leasehold property from the dependent number 3, dependent granted 3 months time from the date of the order to vacate and hand over possession. Correct. Yes, Mr. Shekaseti.
Yes, my lord. This I have not produced the Supreme Court order.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ affidavit ಇದೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ.
Supreme Court now dispose of the matter.
Yes, my lord, it is orders passed in my favor, and at the same time, Supreme Court directed him to file an affidavit undertaking that he will not interfere with the position of my client.
If you don't file, you can insert contempt before Supreme Court. They filed the affidavit also. Para 11 it is observed.
But now, even now they are troubling, my lord. With all this things.
Sir, if they are troubling, you go to Supreme Court, it's amount to contempt of Supreme Court.
Your Lordship says, matter is before your Lordship that says they
no,
have
sir. Matter is before Supreme Court over.
One submission, my lord. Your Lordship has not passed the order for contempt here. Only for contempt proceedings, they are challenged.
Contempt model only if the order is not stayed by Supreme Court or not modified, interpreted, then we can proceed. Supreme Court modified the order of this court. Where is the person of contempt now?
No. Your Lordship, what I am submitting before your Lordship is, they challenge the...
Please present before the court. The complaint advocate is right to present before the court. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ ಇವೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚೇನು ಇರ್ಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಅವಾಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್ The learned counsel for the complaint submit that paid the cost in terms of the order passed by this court dated 29/11/2019 on
28 November 22.
On 28 November 2022. Permission placed on record. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇದು?
24/11 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅಂತ.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಂದಿತ್ತು. ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ there is no direction why A3 is made.
Yes, to comply with these objections. They condone. Express complaint recall. Or the next stage. Yes, Mr. Yes, what is the violation? What is the violation?
What is the violation? Violation. What is the violation?
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ ಅದು? ಏನ್ ಲಾಡ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ವಿತೌಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. What's your name? Mr. Vasant, you are seems to be a senior lawyer. Without file, can come to the court? Just doing drama here. Counsel for the complaint is not ready. Without, and no file is not with him. Please don't try to play with the court. If you don't have file, first try everybody. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ 70 ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್
Accused.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ Yes, ma. You are again undertaking not to precipitate. Then we will dismiss this subject to result of writ petition. Okay. What is challenge here? This fellow. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ Madam, what is the violation? Which is the order of violation? No, bhai, banda galta hai. Please read. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ವರ್ಷ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಪಟ್ಟ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಎಸ್ ಹಾ you should not dispose us by the other side. You have been dispossessed. Where is that? Where is that dispossession? Yes, what is the date of the photograph? Madam, what's your name? Sloka. Wonderful name. You are doing kata. What is this? 26/4/2013 onwards, show the photos. If some photos without date, we don't know whether it was filed prior to the photos taken prior to filing of the petition, we don't know. Now, the matter before a single judge, now we are going undertaking not to precipitate. We close this subject to the alternate petition. If you succeed, you can again come back. Yes, Reddy garu. I'll ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು why you are disturbing her? ಯಾರು ಯಾಕೆ remaining land you are not dispossessing. Whether accusation you challenge, That is subject matter petition. Madam, if the accusation is subject to petition, it is for the court to decide whether the accusation is bad or not. If you are given undertaking before learned single judge, will not precipitate, you will close this matter. If anything, you can go now. Then you know, after 26/4/2013, what is the order by the learned single judge?
By mistake in the preliminary notification, 1 acre extra was sold. They are the ones of the 4 acres, 28 acres, out of which they have acquired only 1 acre, 1 acre. They are in possession of 4 acres, 28 acres. In the acquired 1 acre, 1 acre, we have already filed a government sense of
Where is the undertaking given by the learned council? ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾವು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Madam, in view of this your undertaking, we will close this case. Liberty too, if they again they want to try anything, you can pursue the learned judge. The present contempt petition is filed by the accused, by the complainant, to take ahead the accused on the basis of section 11-12 contempt court act for willful disobedience of interim orders passed by this court. By the learned this court dated 26/4/2013, made in WP 17-146 to 17-147/2013, wherein the learned judge, while issuing after hearing the learned counsel for the petitioner, issue interim stay of dispossession of the petitioner from the land in question till the next date of hearing. I mean, so many dates, time extended. Interim order, time is extended, and the matter is still pending for adjudication. Then the matter posted before this court on 22/9/2022, the Madam Miss Sloka, learned counsel for the complaint, submits that there is a direction in WP 17-146 to 17-141/2013 that to the complaint not to precipitate contempt proceedings, thereby the matter being adjourned time to time. Since the matter is pending before the learned single judge, and the interim order granted by the learned single judge directing issue interim stay of disposition of petitioner to the land in question till next date of is continued. The extended time to time, and the said interim order still in force. Thereby, the accused has to bond with the interim order. First of India of the above, we pass the following order. The contempt proceedings here by draft. However, it is always reserve liberty to the complainant if again the interim order is violated. Either the complainant can oppose learned single judge or can file a press contempt petition. According to contempt petition, we have draft. Yes. Yes, Arun. Where is he? 6th time. Objection not called to dismiss. What is an objection? Pass over. Ask him to get, otherwise we'll dismiss. Yes. Prasanna. ಅವ್ರು ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರದ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ್ಗೆ ಅಶೋಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು I have no objection to engage any other counsel. Vallari Associates. ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ out. Yes, Prasanna Santosh. 6 time pass out. Yes. Sarona. Huh. Yes.
Make clear that the proceedings to be conducted as ordered in WP number 4 as well as in legal section of the notice for the conducting voting and further proceedings are issued to all the interested parties whose names are found in the article after taking note of all available documents. Contention with all parties appear. Here not the assistant director of land records the concerned person. Needless to state that in light of the identity of properties being demarcated with the Tahsildar, for the directions issued in the WP number and both the parties are going to.
What is the violation now?
According to me, there is no violation, but even before the order was passed, I asked the complaint.
Huh. You're doing something. Constructing wall.
Can you see the photograph? And the plastering matra matter.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
But the entire burial ground was compounded even before the order was
No, Mr. Srinidhi. If it is before interim order counts, the construction was done.
Yes.
You should have sought permission only plastering. When this court says maintain status quo, everything, you can't touch anything. It's almost a contempt. Sir, we are not concerned. Burial ground ke compound suttu ide. Correct, compound ide. You should have filed application for modification, permit us to just plastering that compound wall. Now you have completed plastering. No, then it's almost contempt.
Next day, notice money. And now there is no input refund. And before you object filing an application.
No, sir. We're just asking you on 9th April 2019 whether this plastering are over or not.
No, next day.
How can you do it?
Then we did not know the order.
The government advocate represented here. How can you say no? Huh? You are there. BBMP is represented by council.
Regular maintenance and manual. It's nothing to do with
No, sir. Then we will insert proceedings. You people cannot ignore court orders. When you are represented by a council, council knows. Commissioner BBMP, Bengaluru, Amit Deshpande appeared by both the commissioners in your presence of your council order is passed. 1 minute, sir. If the order pass in presence of your council on 9th April 2019, then you proceeded to do in spite of the granting of then your council has no respect for court order and as well as the accused person also will frame the charge. Only respect that they are doing.
Can you see my evidence? When the work was completed, I've given the work order at page 12.
Sir, you work order given amount release immediate for the court. Once court passed the order in presence of you, you bound to obey. You have no business. Go with the order. Do you mean your order is prevailed in the High Court order? Then that is how you are saying. Work order already given. That is immaterial for us. Yes, will come the court. You should have got, your lawyer should have told the court, everything is done, permit us only plastering, will not do anything. When you're represented by a responsible counsel, how can you misinterpret now?
What is maintain status? Not for a minute saying that we are there. But
You mean to say work order issued 2018, in spite of the order maintenance status quo, we'll complete work order, then we'll see. Who is applying for the other side? We'll turn the charge, sir. Get your officer concerned. The accused.
we take appropriate action because honorable report that we take.
That is impermissible, Srinidhi. There is a circular by the government of Karnataka. After the order violated, you can't take anything before single judge. Vadakagala, Ritapel Akakagala, only before that.
I will come truthfully, but I can see in 2000,
ಸರ್ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನೀವು ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಈ ತರ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಾದರ್ ಸರ್, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇಟ್. ಫೋಟೋ ಇದೆ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಇಟ್. ಪೇ ದಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಕಮ್. Entire compound is completed. Plastering. ಎಲ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ? Everything was done, Mr. Aruna, before the interim order, except that patch. Everything is over. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅನೆಕ್ಷ ಡಿ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನೆಕ್ಷ ಡಿ ಇದೆ. ನೀವೇ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಅನೆಕ್ಷ ಡಿ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿಮಾರ್ಕೆಟೆಡ್ 4D Mr. Sarvana, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಫೋಟೋ, ಕಲರ್ ಫೋಟೋ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮೇಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿದೆ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿದೆ ರೀ, ಮೇಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್. ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. will impose some cost in the close. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದೇನೋ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ADR ಅದು ಇದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ದಿ ಅಥಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್. ಈ ಗೋ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಅಥಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. You will impose cost on this commissioner for plastering a small patch. ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. Main 10-1 completed ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರದೋಗಿದೆ. Mr. Saruna, come to the affidavit, para 3. They are not completely says not violated. They says not willfully violated. Come to the paragraph. Seven 1/2019 certificate, complete certificate given and the order passed on 9th April 2019. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದೋಗಿದೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಚ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 7 ನೋಡಿ. Yes, how much cost you import? 1 lakh. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಲಾಯರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಒಪ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಡೆಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ BBN. ಯಾಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಲಾಯರ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ವಾ ಈ ತರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮವ್ರ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್. It is a council responsibility. Then you have to fix the amount on the council also. Just for about 50%, lawyer 50% ಇದು willful. Okay? Lawyer ತಪ್ಪರ್ದ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದ? See, that is where we are lacking. Either lawyer or a judge. Mistake. It's a willful mistake. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನೋ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ. ನೋ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೋ? ಅಮಿತ್ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್, ಈ ತರ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್? He has to pay from his pocket.
On the person who has filed this affidavit, he was a joint commissioner then.
This court, the present contempt petition is filed by the complainant against the accused for willful disobedience of the order dated, final order dated 9/4/2019, made in WP 87/9/4/2019, wherein the learned single judge, for disposing of the matter on merits, directed both the parties to maintain status quo as on date. or 11, do it as under. The specific grievance of the complainant that in spite of the order passed by this court, maintain status quo, the accused in violation of the order proceeded the construction work, thereby committed the contempt of court. Annexure D, E, F, photos produced to show that the construction is going on. To stop. In response to notice issued from our Srinidhi Learned Council, attacked by BBMP, filed the affidavit of Ashok DR, Joint Secretary, Officer, Special Officer, Competent Authority, IEMA and other KPID cases. Who stated that he was working earlier Joint Commission BBMP till 8/10/2021. In para 6, 7 as award as under. To stop. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties, it is clear that as long back as on 7/1/2019, the completion certificate of the compound was given by the assistant executive engineer to the contractor. But by perusal of Annexure D, E, F photographs, the compound wall, almost all the plastering of the compound wall was completed. Only a patch of the compound wall was remained, and it was plastered on 10/4/2019. That is after the order passed by this single at this court. When the order was passed by this court, the learned counsel for the BBMP was respondent 5 and 6 was represented. You should have intimated. If mistake committed by counsel cannot take advantage by the BBMP since they are represented by counsel before this court. The affidavit paragraph 6 and 7 clearly depicts that there is a violation, but not a willful violation. Construction was completed on 7/1/2019, and almost all the compound wall plastered except a patch. Thereby, the patch work of plastering was done. Thereby, though there was no willful violence, but once the court passed the order, maintain status of both the parties, if they want to protect the compound wall because of the rise, there was no impediment for the corporation to file NESA application before this court, brought to the learned single judge about the existing situation in the property. Without there being any application for modification, they cannot proceed. Thereby, though a small patch of work plastering was done, still it is a violation. Thereby, they are liable to pay cost of ₹10,000 by the concerned officer concerned. To stop. In view of the above, we pass the following order. The contempt proceedings are hereby dropped, subject to payment of cost of ₹10,000 payable by the Joint Secretary Officer Special Ashok DR, Joint Secretary Officer Special Officer Competent Authority to the complainant within a period of 2 weeks Accordingly, the contempt proceedings have been dropped, reserving liberty to the complainant to pursue the order of the other judge in accordance with law. No. That's impose cost. Compound plastering of a patch of compound wall was illegal. Thereby, this court has imposed cost of the with a warning to the accused should not repeat such mistakes again. Yes. Yes. What worry, sir? Only the upper court upheld, then you have IC regard. Otherwise, no regard.
The Honorable Court below, through ACM Court, Traffic Court, has taken cognizance of Section 199 or 341.
You can't consent, sir.
This is a criminal case against the complainant. Therefore, suppression of criminal facts before the Honorable Court, see, the Honorable Court. Therefore, the Honorable Court taken this serious matter. Any civil order, the order passed by the High Court, the criminal list number 44.
We are not concerned, Amuntappa. We have passed the violation of the order. 1 minute, Nam Sambandha illa. Why don't you listen to us? Why don't you listen to us, sir? Rightly, wrongly, this court passed an order against you. That was confirmed by Supreme Court. You have to implement, that's all. Where is the question of all these things? We want to modify our order. After confirmed by Supreme Court, order. Where is the Supreme Court order? Kodi. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ we are not concerned. We can't do anything in the contempt matter. Contempt is only punishment. Punishment given. You separate then you challenge that order separately. You can't do anything. This is something a misconduct on the part of the complainant. Supreme Court by the order dated 21/11/2022 dismissed, confirming the order. That's all. So you have to go to jail. We will not do anything. Our hands now seize a Supreme Court dismissing. What to do? Don't waste public time. What do you want?
This might be the court.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್. That is confirmed. You are mixing everything content matter. All right, Bama. ನೀವು ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. What is the application file now? Very good. Bama. You will dismiss with cost again. Go to Supreme Court. Mr. Almuntappa, you want to impose cost on the advocate? You impose. No observation. This is nothing but a clarity, the cleverness of the client. It includes a lawyer. You are just ditching the court after confirmation. You will observe something on you also. You want observation against the lawyer? You will observe. ಯಾಕೆ ಲಾಯರ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? You are misleading your client. All right, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಡ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇದು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ
ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಸತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು. ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸತ್ಯ ನೀವು. ಎಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಬಾಮ. The present application is filed by the accused to recall the order dated 18/4/2022. Kodre, order kodre ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
18/4/2022. We'll dismiss this application with cost again. ನೀವ್ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Wasting public time.
Meanwhile, on 28/10, after filing of the contempt, the registry of the Court of Karnataka,
Which is the order dated 18/4/2022. Read.
the third arrest, submitting is the
Read your application.
again, 18/11, 18/22. Right application, filing on
ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಯಾವುದು?
20 ಐ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್
File the application under section 311 CRPC, section 11(12) of Contempt of Court to recall the order dated 23/8/2022. ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬೆಟರ್. 23/8 ಒಂದು ಏನು 23/8 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಡ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೆಬ್ಬ. ವೈ ಯು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್? ಯುವರ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ನೀವೇ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ. Still you are acting like this. We'll say something on you also. 23rd August, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. 23rd August 2022. By the affidavit of the accused, mainly on the ground that the pendency of the proceedings, 3rd ACCM, Bengaluru, criminal miss 44/2011. The complainant has not produced documents like appointment order, salary slip, sale deed, along with the photo. Full stop. It is further stated that the 3rd Honorable ACM Court has taken contention. Complainant as not having sufficient means to lead her life and her son, and she has taken shelter in her parents' house, even though she was working as software engineer. She has suppressed her income by not disclosing the same in the affidavit of assets liabilities. It is further contended that after giving sufficient opportunity, the 3rd ACCM Court observed that after giving sufficient opportunity, the complainant has not filed any objections to that application. Hence, this court of objection of the petitioner was taken not filed on 5/4/2022. It is further stated that the arguments was heard by the 3rd ACCM Court, looking into the factual factors, taking into consideration the observation made by the High Court in the criminal RP 424/2010, and both the parties have suppressed their source of income and liability. I have given both the parties to file necessary application for modification before the 3rd ACCM in Criminal Court 44/2011. Full stop. Thereby, he felt at this juncture to initiate criminal proceedings against the petitioner. Complainant, it is necessary to accord permission to lead evidence by both sides enquiry necessary. Thereby, cognizance taken by the ACCM court. Accordingly, the present application is filed to recall the order dated 28/2022. Full stop. This court, having taken pains by the order dated 28/2022, the present contempt petition, the contempt petition came to file for deliberate disobedience of the orders of learned single judge of this court dated 18/2/2019 and 16/9/2019, made in WP 5509/2008, and after hearing, after following the procedure as contempt of the provisions of the Contempt Court Act, this court, by the order dated 23/8/2012, allowed the contempt petition and convicted the accused for simple imprisonment of 5 months with fine of ₹2,000, or pay the entire maintenance amount of ₹22,10,000, whichever is earlier, in default to undergo for a further period of 1 month. The said order passed by this court, taking into cognizance of the violation of the violation of the order passed by the learned single judge dated 18/2/2019 and 16/9/2019 in WP 5509/2018, is nothing to do with the order passed by the third ACCM, and thereby the application is filed to recall the final order passed by this court in the present contempt petition on 28/2012, made in civil contempt 17/89/2019, is confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 21st November 2022 in Civil Appeal, diary number 31/855/2022. Thereby, the order passed by this court sending the accused to the civil prison is upheld, and the present application filed is nothing but misconceived. And once the order passed this court has reached finality, confirmed by the Supreme Court, reached finality, question of recalling the order passed by this court, which was passed on merits, confirmed by the Supreme Court, would not arise at this stage, and the application is liable to dismiss with cost of ₹50,000 payable by the accused to the complainant. Accordingly, we pass the following order. I.S. so and so is filed. You want to observe against you also? All right, Mama. I will Karabari. At this stage, Sri Anmuntappa, Haveri, Learned Counsel, is dictating the court not to impose cost. He is the counsel who appeared. Please wait. He is the counsel who appeared in the contempt proceedings. He knows the entire proceedings, and this court passed the order on 28/2022, and he is also aware of the fact that the accused filed SLP before the civil appeal for the Supreme Court, which was dismissed on 21/11/2022. Still, the present application filed is also indicates misconduct on the part of the learned counsel. For that, this is nothing but abuse in the process and the interference of judicial administration. Thereby, the counsel is also liable to pay 25,000 from his pocket out of 50,000. Full stop. Next para. In of the above, IA 5/2022 recalling is dismissed as misconceived. The counsel for the complainant so and so and the accused shall pay 25,000 each cost of wasting public time to the complainant within a period of 2 weeks. This is Supreme. You are not protecting rights. You are just misleading the client. Having approached Supreme Court, you are still misleading. You should have advised him properly. Bapa. All right. All right. Yes. Yes. You are, Mister. You conducted throughout, you know. You should advise your client. You can't ditch the other side when the order is confirmed by Supreme Court. It's misleading. Mr. Avarappa, you want to send this order to Bar Council to take action? We'll send it. You want that? Litigant tries to ಕಾನೂನು ಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಲಾಯರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಲಾಯರು. ಆ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. You should guide properly. Rama. Though this court passed the order, still Hanumanthappa is making allegations against the court. Will insert contempt against you? Insert contempt. Mister, we have done our job. You are not happy. Challenge this order, imposing 20% on you. Yes, now time warrants for the court to stop this illegal practice by counsel, some of the counsels, misleading the court, misleading the client. Yes. Sir, ನೀವು ಸತ್ಯ ಹರಿಶ್ಚಂದ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತು. ನೀವು ಸತ್ಯ ಹರಿಶ್ಚಂದ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. You know. All right. That's all. That's all. You want to argue anything? You will not. Come on. Mr. Hanumanthappa, we feel you know how you conducted contempt proceedings, how you granted time, sufficient time because of you, and you done everything, and Supreme Court confirmed, you still acting. Being a fair counsel, should not have filed such applications. You have to say you are unfair to file such application. You have to say that. Bama. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಬಾಮ. ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೈದು ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಂಪಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ನೋವು ಬರಲ್ವಾ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್, ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಫೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಫ್ಯೂಲೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಜಿ, ಅದೊಂದು ಅರ್ಜಿ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ, ವಿಲ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆವಿ and will send this matter to the Bar Council. If necessary, you want to invite, we will insert contempt proceeding against you. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ ಹಾಳಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ ಲಿಟಿಗಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಲೀಡ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. If necessary, not only imposing cost, we will send to Bar Council. We will direct suspension if you are Sanad. You have a power. You can't mislead the court. You should have advised our party properly. 22 lakhs still pending, and Supreme Court confirmed the order. You say something, you recall the order. What is type of practice you are doing, Mr. Hanumanthappa? Yes, Kari, next case, Kari. ನೀವು ಬಾಯಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಲಾಯರ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್, then you have to exceed our limit. Challenge that order before Supreme Court. Imposition cost on the lawyer is bad. Challenge that. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಐ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಬಾಯಿ ಮಾತಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾರ್, ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಲೀಡ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. You should not file application. Filing application recall, which are come from Supreme Court, is misleading. Not on the client, on the court. It's unbecoming a counsel. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಮನ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು? 26 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವನು ಅಂತ ಅವನು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊಡಿ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. Since the order of this court has been confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court, ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 28/2022 forthwith. All the applications filed are disposed of. Yes. Yes. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಲಾಯರ್ ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅಂತ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಯರ್ ಫೈನ್ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟಿಂಗ್. ನೌ ಟೈಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಷನರ್ಸ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ನೀವು ಫೇರ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದಿದೆ. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್? How can we decide in a content matter where you have violated the High Court order? How can we recall the contempt? ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ತಮಗೆ? ಇಷ್ಟು ಅನುಭವ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಎಸ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಲೈಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಕ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ, ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ವಾರಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ ಟು ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ವೇ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಧರ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯ. ಧರ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. $20,000 payable by the accused. Advocate, but 50,000 paid by the accused for filing a mischievous applications before this court. Yes. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾರ ಲಾಯರ್ ಸರ್, ಲಾಯರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ದೇನು ಅಭ್ಯಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನೋ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ಹಂಗೆ ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ನೀವೇನು ಸತ್ಯ ಅರ್ಚದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರ ಅವನ್ನ. ಇವಾಗ ಆತ್ಮಂಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಡಾಟರ್. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಡಾಟರ್, ಮೈ ಡಾಟರ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಟಾಲರೇಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ? ಅವನ ಅಳಿಯ ಇಂಥವ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಒದ್ದು ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ 22 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವನು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು? ಯು ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಎಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. Learned counsel for the complainant submits that order has been complied. The prayer ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅವಿಪಾತ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಸ್. ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀ. Yes. Arun Kumar. Yes, sir. What is the order?
are also disposed of at the stage by discontinuing the improved enforcement. It created rejection of the application of the prediction is requirement that the authorities consent and send the new opinion reports to the authorities of mines and general department. Authorities consent and consider and finally decide on the related to the expedition for execution of the lease deed within 4 weeks from the date of production of the certificate.
When did you have done? 8 January 2009. 2019. 4 weeks. ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು? January 2019. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 4 weeks. 14 February 2019. When did you comply? 29 20 2020. Almost 1 year. Why? Why that?
Reports from the assistant commissioner include district conservator of forest, and geologist of mines and geologist as is submitted a technical report submitted by the geologist stated there are public structures existing from the said area. As of the date of making applications into the grant of value in government land, the law was applicable for the first of basis. Within the pendency of the application and amendment.
Yes, sir. You are not concerned. It is all liberty to you to challenge this order. Now, all council law, e-council law, court, we have to wait. ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಬಾಮ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೈಲ್ ಕಳ್ಸ್ತಾರೆ. 2 ವರ್ಷ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಏನು ಹರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪನವರು 22 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಸುಮಾರು ದಿವಸ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ, ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾಪ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ತರಳೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲಿ ಸರ್. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್. ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ವಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು BBMP ಇದು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಜಿ ಲಾಯರ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. 10,000 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಲಾಯರ್ಗೂ ಸೇರ್ಸಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಲಾಯರ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದೀಯ. ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಂಕಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಯರ್ಗೆ 25,000 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂಕಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮೊದಲು ನಾನಿಂತ ಹಲ್ಕಾ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಲಾಯರ್ ಮನ್ಸು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ತರಳೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಯಪ್ಪ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾನಿಂದ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ. ನೀನ್ ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಮದೇವನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವ್ರು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರು, ಒಂದು 10 ಅರ್ಜಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಕಾಮದೇವನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್. ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಡ್ಜಿಗಳು ಹೇಳೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಅವರು ಲಾಯರ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರಂತೆ. ಲಾಯರ್ಗೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಗೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. The present contempt petition is filed by the complainant against the accused to take action under the provisions of Section 11(12) Contempt of Act for willful disobedience of the order dated 8/1/2019 made in WP 56929/2018 by the coordinate bench of this court. The coordinate bench of this court has directed the authorities concerned shall consider and finally decide on the prayer of the petitioners for execution of the lease deed within 4 weeks from the date of production of the certified copy of the order. Since the accused has not complied, the order passed by the coordinate bench, the present contempt petition came to file on 3/1/2020. This court issued notice on 24/1/2020. Thereafter, in response notice issued, the Deputy Director, M.J. Mahesh, Deputy Director, Department of Mines and Geology, Tumkuru, filed the affidavit of complaints dated 25/2/2020. It is stated in para 4 as under the full stop. A careful perusal of the order by the coordinate bench of this court dated 8 January 2019. The order should be complied within 4 weeks from the date of production of the order. According to government advocate, the order was produced before them on 14/1/2019. If it is so, they have to comply the order by 14/2/2019, and the present compliance was made on 24/2/2020, nearly more than 1 year. More than 1 year. 24. Huh? 24/2/2020. More than 1 year. More than 1 year. Thereby, the accused unnecessarily driven the complaint before this court, filing the present contempt petition, wasting not only judicial time and financial loss to the complaint to engage a lawyer and a trauma. Thereby, the authority has no respect to the court orders. Only after contempt petition filed, set up the contempt. Now the affidavit is filed and complied at last on 20/4/2020. Thereby, not only wasted precious time of the court and wasted the precious money and the trauma to the climate. Thereby, the accused is liable to pay cost of rupees 20,000 payable by the Deputy Director, M.J. Mahesh, Deputy Director, Department of Mines and Geology, Tumkur, from his personal packet. To stop. Next paragraph. In of the above, we pass the following order. Since the accused has complied the order after 1 year, that is on 24/2/2020, we impose cost. The contempt petition has to be disposed of. First of in of the above, we pass the following contempt petition shall be dropped, subject to payment of cost of rupees 20,000 payable by the accused, that is the Deputy Director, Department to the to Tumkuru, to the complainant within a period of 2 weeks. First of, it is needless to observe, it is always open for the complainant to challenge the order dated 24/2/2023 so aggrieved in accordance with law. If the cost is not paid within 2 weeks, office director to pose this matter again to take action against the accused. Yes, Batra. What is this, Batra? Huh? What is the order, Batra? What is the direct violation, sir? What is the violation, please? What is the violation? What is the order? ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 3 ಓದಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯಾರಾ 3 ಓದಿ. Without adverting the claim regarding succession. ಓದ್ರಿ. ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಓದಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. That is the violation, 27th August 2019. ಯಾವ 19th ರೀ? ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಓದಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್. ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಓದಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಬೇರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ತಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾರೋ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಫೈಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬಟ್ರೆ. 40/2020 ಪಾಪ ಯಾವ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಇವಾಗ ಓದಿ. 27th August 2019 ಆರ್ಡರ್. Seventh husband directed to consider the petitioner representation so and so and pass approved orders. Now your representative has been considered. Challenge that. ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇದು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ರಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಡಮಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸ್ ವೇ ದಿ ಎಂಡಾರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಂಡಾರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಓದಿದ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂಡಾರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು? ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕಾಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. 17 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಡಾರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ರು? ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಇದು 27 ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 2019 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಎಂಡಾರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ನಾಟ್ 93 to 18. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಅವರ್. ನಮ್ದೇ ಫೈಲ್ ತಗೋಪ್ಪ, ತಗೊಳ ನಮ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ. ಪಾಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಫೈಲು. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್ ಧನಂಜಯ 20. Finally, 1 week time is granted to complete after subjections, failing which both the matter for dismissal. Next week. Failing which the contempt petition stands automatically dismissed without reference to the court. Yes, Vijay Prakash, what is this? Hmm. Hmm. Oh, you have not done, sir. Will issue contempt. We are not concerned. ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆರ್ಸಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು ಕೊಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು we are not concerned sir whether this proceedings are disposed of or not ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು At the request of the Honorable AG, call this matter next Tuesday. Comply the order. Ali served, the accused served unrepresented. Leonard Government undertook to file power and seek 1 week time to comply the order. 1 week time is granted to comply the order, failing which the Tahil, the deputy commissioner shall be present before the court. Yes, Vijaya. Non-furnishing a police report of service of the accused. Complied. Srinath, prayer accompanied. Learned counsel for the Madam Srimati Vijaya, MN. Learned counsel for the complaint submits that the order of learning has been complied and the contempt should not serve for consideration. Submission placed on record in your the above for the following order. Contempt and disposed of not serve for consideration. Deputy Commissioner Chairman selection of recruitment authority district level committee Chitradurga Devatana. Mele government advocate take notes mele submission placed on record. Contempt and disposed of the purposes.
Fire sub.
Yes, sir. History. Finally, 1 week time is granted to comply to subjections. Yes, Mansura. Yes, 2 weeks. Aluswami. You know. Kiran Kumar submit that he has already moved the application for recalling. The order did so and so content matters. Then submit the council has made a statement, you will not participate, yes? At the joint consultation of both the parties for this matter next Tuesday. Or next Thursday. Yes. What is the next matter? You know. Against interim order, you have filed this. Now the main petition dismissed.
After that, not given salary and not assigned work. Subsequently, after 2 years, then one time terminated.
Notice. Give notice.
7th December 2018. Issue emergency notice, stay of the input notice. Dated 4/8/18 Response are directed to continue the petitioner in service until further orders. You have continued.
Continued by that petition, they withdrew that termination order.
That's separate.
Then I should have been given salary, my lord, and
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು
that's why, my lord,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಇಯರ್
they have not given the.
Repeat dismiss ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾರು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಡೇಟೆಡ್ 4/10/18 was stayed. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ಇನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ವೆದರ್ ದಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. One ನಿಮಿಷ sir, whether they continued. What happened writ petition? Therefore, writ petition becomes infectious. If the withdraw the termination order, you challenge that order. ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have filed dismiss or withdrawn. Rakshita Learned Council of Second has filed memo stating the input the notice withdrawn. ತೆಗಿರಿ ಮೇಲೆ placing so and so hands of this court. The writ petition becomes infectious. This is contempt ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Bama, they are dismissing with cost. The present writ petition is filed. No, Mr. Also me contempt ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. It is not in dispute the prayer accompany. The present contempt is filed against us so and so. The Alaswami Learned Council for the complaint submits that during the pendency writ petition, on terms of the interim order dated 7th December 2018, the petitioner was continued in service until further orders. Subsequently, the notice dated 4/10/2018 was withdrawn by the counsel for second respondent who filed a memo before learned single judge. Placing the memo on record, the writ petition dismiss or become infectious. If subsequently any action taken against the petitioner is separate cause of action, no contempt is made out. Accordingly, for the following contempt person hereby dismiss word of merit. Government advocate is a Government advocate is a sakamai. Number. Yes, Amma. Nela government advocate take notes. Yes. Sunil Rao. Appellant. Learned Council for the complaint submits that the sole complaint died. Submission place on ಯಾವ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದೆ abated. Mohan. Learned Council for Ms. Mohan. The Madam, Madam so and so Learned Council for the accused submits the order of learning has been complied. The Mohan K. Learned Council has not disputed fact and the fairly submits order has been complied. Submission plus and record of the whole path for another. Contempt procedure by drop. Yes. Ajay. What's your name? C. Raksha. Learned Council for complaint submits. New thing will be done during the course of the day. Submission plus and after check them proceed. Kodama copy. One copy kodo. Oh, you got the wrong file? Get it, Xerox. Yes, loud. Muriappa. The Learned Council for the Learned Council for the complaint submits that the order for learning skill has been complied and the present contempt would not serve for consideration. Submission placed on record. In the above contempt proceedings hereby disposed of. Contempt proceedings have been dropped. You are for whom? You are accused. Mayor of Kapas. The Learned Council for the Tamesuru. Ch.No.3 to be Learned Council complaint submit. Almari. Amit, you are Amit Deshpande. What happened? What happened? So and so submits for the accused. Order has been complied. Sri Ch.No.3 has not disputed fact and submits order has been complied. That's the above part called contempt. Fair account, the contempt. Learned Council for the file, complaint filed. File application for the Toral. Nama for Toral. Nama place of for contempt dismiss. Not press. Okay. Consequently, IS, all IS pending also dismissed. Yes, Suresh. Padi. Triple directed to consider representation of petitioner refund of the guarantee amount along to interest within a period of 4 weeks. Why interest you are not paid? That is the direction. Why? The Learned Council for the accused, Sri Nagaraj submits the principal amount, the guarantee amount, the refund of the guarantee amount has been given, has been refunded, but interest was not paid. Every 6 time, 2 weeks time is granted, 1 week time is granted. Yantadri, 1 week time is granted. Why? The accused has not paid the interest when the order passed on a single judge on 12th November 2019, directing to refund the guarantee amount along the interest within 4 weeks. You should have rejected. Once you pay, bound to pay interest. ನೀವು ಅರ್ಧ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರ ಅರ್ಧ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ನೋ ಯು ಅಡ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹಾವ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ದಟ್ ನಾವೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನರ್ ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹಾವ್ ಫೈಲ್ is not entered interest only guarantee amount will file ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ದುಡ್ಡು ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಸ್ ನವೀನ್ ಎಸ್ ನವೀನ್ Petitioner make a request and challenge payment from this. You should pay payment.
Paid the money, declaration audit also issued. After the at that point of time, was not issued. Subsequently, there are violations also issued, and that is also filed.
Made that.
Along with the memo, it was filed.
Where you have said to complete the order. Pay that order. Commissioner order. Deputy Commissioner Lalitar say. ರೂಪ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ರೂಪನೇ ಇರೋದು, DC ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇರೋದು ಎರಡು ಅಪ್ರಿವಿಟ್ಟು ರೂಪ. ತೋರಿಸಿ, ನೀವು DC ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಡೇಟೆಡ್ ಎರಡಿದೆ. ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಯಾವ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವೇ ನಮ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರ. The present contempt proceedings are filed with the complaint to take action against the accused. The following section 11 contempt of willful disobedience of the order dated 18/2/2019 made in WP 53-1-12-1-2-2018 by the coordinate bench of this court, wherein the coordinate bench, after following earlier orders, directed that the petitioner make request for issuance of challan or making payment, the same shall be issued within 2 weeks of making representation. In response notice issued, the Tahsildar, the response notice issued additional approved file by the accused number 1, Rupa MV, the Tahsildar Srirangpatna, Mandya district, specifically stated at paragraph 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as under. Idu approved dated 16/6/2021 as under. Paragraph 5 to 9 as under. Subsequently, Sri Kiran Kumar, Learned Counsel, filed memo dated 6/8/2021 along with copy of the official memorandum dated 5/7/2021 and the photocopy of the challan dated 2/7/2021. Same is placed on record. Hereby, the Learned Counsel for the accused submits that the order of the court has been complied. Submission just from one of the other parts following our contempt has been dropped. Parmeshwar Hegde. ಗುರುವಾರ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪಾಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. All right, yes. Don't worry. Yes, accused. ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? Applying for whom? Sri so-and-so Learned Counsel admits Applying for accused number 1, 2, arguing counsel. Arguing counsel is not well. Submission placed on record. 21 objection ಹಾಕಿ ಅದೇನು ಹಾಕ್ತಿರೋ next week. Yes, Siddharth. ಏನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ರೀ? What is the violation? Stop it. Then the charge, then we'll see. Excess amount illu on Tamil Nadu. We can't decide your counter, approve it to rejoin, bro. All wasting public time. We don't know how you people started the filing rejoin, ajoin, elli contempt. We don't know. Let's read the prayer in the contempt. Podri. Let's read the order now. Yes.
Paragraph 4 in page 10.
Huh.
The petitioner agreed to pay a sum of ₹15,000 per month to respondent who was maintenance by way of check before 10th of every calendar month for the respondent.
This is from what date?
From 27/5/2011, the decree of divorce was
All right, 27/5/2011. He has to pay every date.
in fact it continued to stay as husband and wife till 2020.
We are not concerned.
Otherwise gets gone to somebody else.
All right. Yes, sir. Where is the calculation filed by you from 27/5/2011 till date? Payment of 15,000 per month. ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತೈದು 27 5 ಅಥವಾ 11 ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ 1 1 10 1 12 1/12/2025 ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 10 ವರ್ಷ ಈ ವರ್ಷ 10 ವರ್ಷ 141 months into 15,000 21,15,000. Where is that? Source ನಿಮ್ಮ affidavit post affidavit dated 15/11 ನರಸಿಂಹಮೂರ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದೋ 15 16 ಅಂತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15/11 ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮ್ದು ನರಸಿಂಹಮೂರ್ತಿ 16/10 ಅಂತಿದೆ ಹಾ ಹೋದಪ್ಪ ಹಾ Yes, sir.
As far as the calculations concerned, so far the amount is prepared. It is from our IMO.
Huh? Hello?
It's not the excess. It is from a proprietorship.
We are not concerned, sir.
I am also part of the very same proprietorship.
That we can't decide here.
It shows my income tax returns are also produced.
Yes, Mr. Show 15,000 every month in terms of the undertaking. Show the document. Don't mix up everything. Please. ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೇಟೆಡ್ 27/5/2011 15,000 per month ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 2022 ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಕತೆ. 141 into 15,000. ಶೋ tabulation ತೋರಿಸು. If tabulation some other amount, you will be in trouble. ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ? We are not concerned, Mr. ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ರು. We are not concerned. You have to obey the order unless order is not modified. You have to obey. ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ರು ಒಳಗಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. 15,000 per month. Show. All right, Gandhi. Let him come to the box. The Mama. So claim the charge. ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಕತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ದು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಲೀಡ್ ಇಮ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಬ್ಬರದು ದೊಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್. Third, the learned counsel for the parties on the complaints affidavit filed by the accused and the complaint made by the complainant. ಸಾಕು, ನೀವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ವೇಟ್. The complainant filed the present contempt petition for willful disobedience of the order passed dated 27/5/2011, made in MC 3650/2010. Stop. Wherein the Family Court, second Principal Judge, Family Court, Bengaluru, by the order dated 27/5/2011, accepting the memorandum of settlement, the petition for what? Petition filed by the accused HCK case under section 13, Family Court, allowed, and the Family Court section 13 for divorce allowed, and the marriage of the petitioner respondent solemnized on 5/12/2003 at Temple Nagavara dissolved by direct decree of divorce. The memorandum of settlement shall be part and parcel of the decree. In terms of the memorandum filed by both the parties under section 89 CPC, read with rules 24-25 of the Karnataka Civil Procedure, in bracket mediation rules 2005, the present accused was the petitioner has agreed to pay 15,000 per month to the respondent towards her maintenance by a check before every month of calendar of month which the respondent has agreed. First up, 10th of every calendar month, for which the respondent has agreed. Respondent present complainant agreed. The grievance of the complainant is that in spite of the order passed by the court, Family Court, he has to pay monthly maintenance of 15,000 per month. The same was not paid. Thereby, the present contempt came to file on 13/7/2022. To stop. In the response notice issued, Sri Manjunath Gowda, learned counsel for the accused, filed the complaints affidavit and deposed and stated at paragraph 4 as under paragraph 4A, 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D as under. The learned counsel for the complaint submits that the amount was paid not towards maintenance but
So I also
Yen in transaction.
business transactions, which is I also follow RMOs.
There was a business transaction between the accused and the deceased in respect of
There is real estate. As far as RMOs is concerned.
real estate. In spite of decree, they continued real estate jointly. The said amount is paid. So stop. 1 minute. Submission placed on record. Thereby, the complaint submits that the amount paid is not what maintained some other adjustment towards business amount. Account to complaint, account to accused, the amount paid, the excess account to complaint, the amount was paid 15,000 for 141 months, it would be 21 lakhs 15,000. But he has paid the excess 38 lakhs 20,000, 38 lakhs 20,000, 891. Totally 59 lakhs 38,891 paid. These are all disputed facts. Request for evidence. Therefore, it's a pit case to claim the charge. Yes. We'll record the charge, then we'll see. Evidence ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಯು ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಬರಕಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಗೌಡ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಮ್ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಪರಾಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಅವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಸ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೆವಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ 15,000 ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದೋ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಾಮ ಹೋದ ಕೇಳಮ್ಮ. You, the accused, Abhishek case, son of HCK Ch.No.3, age of 39 years, residing at 65, first floor PNT Colony, Ati Nagara, Bangalore. Okay. Mr. Abhishek, whether you have paid 15,000 separately in terms of the memorandum filed on 27/5/2021. You are separate file ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಿ. ಡೈರಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತಂದು ಹಾಕಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಡ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. 15 ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಪೇ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಮೋರ್ ಲವ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೈಫ್. 38 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಫುಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಂದರಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಧ್ಯ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ವೆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೋ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್. 38 ಲಕ್ಷ 15,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು 38 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಪ್ಪ 59 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ನೀವು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲ 15,000 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟು. ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪವಾದ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. You, the accused, has disobeyed willfully disobeyed the order dated 27/5/2020, 25/7/2011, made in MC 36/2010, wherein on the memorandum of settlement filed by you and the complainant, your wife, the family court dissolved the marriage. The family court, by the judgment decree dated 27/5/2011, dissolved the marriage held between you and the complainant on 5/12/2023 in terms of the memorandum of settlement filed before the court. To stop. You, the accused, agreed in the memorandum of settlement dated 10/2/2011 at para 4 that you will pay 15,000 per month to the respondent in bracket your wife towards her maintenance by way of check before 10th of every calendar of month for which the complaint respondent has agreed. To stop. Thereby, we have violated the order passed by the family court dated 27/5/2011, made in MC 3650/2010. Thereby, you willfully disobey. Thereby, you are liable to punish under the powers of section 12 of the Contempt Court Act. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Have you heard this charge so and so? Yes. It depends if any. He submits that pleaded not guilty and submits that he has paid the excess amount. He has paid account to him he has to pay from 27/5/2011 41 months into 15,000, only 21,15,000. But he has already paid 59,38,891 in excess amount of 38,20,891. Thereby, the subject's order has been complied. Yes. That's evidence. ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವರು, ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ you have framed the charge, recorded plea in view of Rule 11 of the so and so rules, we request learned HCP Kiran Kumar HCP to assist the court on behalf of the complainant and against the accused. Yes, our set copy kodi. Your role is over. Now we have to give the copies. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ. Evidence of the complaint by next week. Yes. ಇಳಿಯಪ್ಪ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ ಆದ ನನಗೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ. Mr. Counsel, if ultimately some other transaction he has paid this amount, some other transaction we are not concerned. If he has paid 21,15,000, extra 38,000 for some other adjustment, he will be in trouble. Make him public time. We are not concerned. If ultimately, if we feel the complaint is playing with the court, we will impose heavy cost. Yes. Correct. Yes. What is it? ಇದನ್ನು ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಹಾ, ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಾಕು. ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ವೇ ದಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್? ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಓದಿ. ಹಾ, the learned counsel for the BDA filed the notice in along with the card list stating that the matter was posted on 28/11/2022, and since the matter was not taken up for hearing, the now matter is posted next week. Submission place on record. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ yes up to 35 ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ. ಅದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. 3567 ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ. ಎಸ್ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರ್. ಹಾ, ಹೇಳಿ. Why you are suspended? You have seen the papers. Whether commissioner fee paid? What about the complaint? Paid. The Kottalan will summon the commissioner. We don't know, expected, unexpected, we don't know. In persons of the order passed by this court dated 24/11/2022, Sri Rajeshwar, learned counsel for the complaint, submits the court fee, the commissioner fee, 50,000, already paid by the complainant. The same is acknowledged by the learned court commissioner. Sri Kiran Kumar, learned counsel, that process being made to pay the 50,000 from the government, and in meanwhile, the deputy commissioner has been suspended. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Alright, meanwhile, deputy commissioner suspend ಬೇಡ. Being process taken, he seeks 1 week time. All next week. ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ವರ್ಷ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಹಾ, oh, if this is not done, the learned judge should have dismissed the suit for default, that's all.
Two other defendants have filed their application, their counterclaim. They are also stopped here. So unless the limit side is over, they will not.
Where is the contempt here?
Also order reverse.
Correct, Ray. We directly cooperate the party. If the cooperate don't cooperate, only remedy to dismiss the suit. Where is the contempt? Read the order. Civil petition dismissed or withdrawn. However, taken consideration relation between the parties, suit was partitions of so and so, 2000. Now we are to 16. 16 years elapsed. Just and proper director dispose of suit itself on merits in account within outer limits of so and so. Party director to file, party director not to file any application to obstruct the court proceedings and shall cooperate dispose of suit. If they don't cooperate, the judge ought to dismiss the suit. That's all. We'll observe that and we'll say. Palmer.
Because the other defendants have also filed their counterclaim with us. So unless the plaintiff side is completed, they will say they don't have the.
Sir, it is for the court to regulate the proceedings. We can't regulate here in contempt. What is the contempt? They are not cooperate. We'll observe that. Sir, we only requested the parties to cooperate. They don't cooperate. It is for the judge to dismiss. We'll say that. Palmer. The present contempt petition is filed. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಯೂಸ್ ರೀ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಏನತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್. Sir, if the party is not interested, what can the court do?
See the fate of the defendants.
See the fate of the court. Tolerating you people, both the lawyers and clients. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರ ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ ಅವರು 22 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಇದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂಕಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Now time has come. We should identify such advocates, impose cost, send the bar council. ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ತರಳೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕೋದು, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ವಿ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವಿ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡು? The present contempt petition is filed by the complainant. You are the plaintiff.
Yes. I'm the second defendant.
The complaint with the second dependent. In OS 4787/2000 for willful disobedience of the order dated 29/11/2016 made in Civil Petition 121/2016 by the learned signatures of this court. The learned signatures of this court, while dismissing the review petition of withdrawn, which was challenged, rejecting IA number 30, filed with second dependent, order 8 Rule 11A to D CPC, taking into consideration the suit of the year 2000, directed the trial court dispose suit itself in accordance with law without outer limits of 6 months, and parties are directed to file, not to file any applications to obstruct court proceedings, and shall cooperate early dispose suit. Mr. Please, Rajesh for Learned Counsel. Where is Narsimhan? Why you are not cooperating? Will incite contempt against you. Huh? Apology ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Why you are not cooperating in the suit? No, sir. No, sir. You should proceed. No, sir. Parties are directed not to file application after court proceedings. Shall cooperate early dispose suit, taking consideration as on the date of the order for Leonard Singhal. It was 16 years already elapsed. It is unfortunate, though the accused persons are complainants, are the plaintiffs, and the complainant is second dependent. When this court directed to dispose suit itself, learned judge extension ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರೇನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. If the learned judge was not able to dispose suit within 6 months, he ought to file an application for extension. And he can't ignore the order passed by this court, like the plaintiffs are ignoring, not cooperating with the court. If the learned judge, if the parties are not cooperating, learned judge, he should know how to regulate the proceedings. The plaintiff are not cooperating, he can dismiss the suit for default. If any of the persons files the counterclaim, it can be continued as suit. That basic procedure should know the learned judge. First up, with the above observation, the contempt petition may be disposed of. Regular ಇದಾಗ್ತದೆ suit plain reject ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು can be continued. That is the law. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Sir, partition suit Sara plaintiff, Sara defendant. That's why it's
Sir, if suit is dismissed, ಬರ್ತಾವ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ನೀವು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವು ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೆಸಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ನಾವು? ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್? Ask Narasimhan, if your party is not cooperating, then it will have its own repercussion. ಅಂತವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? 16 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಹೀರಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದ್ಯಾರೋ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತವ್ರು ಒಬ್ರು ಲಾಯರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ, ಅಪ್ಪ 29 ವರ್ಷ ಕೇಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ದಡ್ಡ ಮುಂಡದಿ ನೀನು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂತ. ಹಂಗಾಯ್ತದ ಕತೆ. You pursue, sir. Pursue the judge. Dismiss. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು CPC ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು CPC ಇದೆ ಸರ್? All right, yes. ಹೆಂಡತಿನ ಮನೆ ಕರ್ಸು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟು, ಗಂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್? ಎಸ್. What the violation? Yes, please read. Not para 5, para 8 and 9. He kept in abeyance, that's all. No further action will be taken pursuant to so-called notice till the disposal of the application. Yes, what? Then what is the problem? Yanakri, that is the order. Yes, sir. What is the violation? Or para 5, para 6. What up? Mister, ultimately the Lord judge says, show-cause notice issued to you shall kept in abeyance till the disposal of application filed with the petitioner for exemption. Why you are not considered? You are both, you want interpretation of the order. Odappa. Odappa. Reject madre. Court order ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಜಡ್ಜು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಅದು ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. BBMP ಯಾರುಗಳು ತಾನೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಖಾತಾ ಮೇಳ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಪ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು. BBMP ಅವರು 5-6 ಲಕ್ಷ ಖಾತಾಗಳು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ, ಒಪ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮಧೇನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ವಾಪಸ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ. Yes, comply 1 week at the request of Learned Counsel for the accused for this matter next week. Mr. Show-cause note kept in abeyance. What about the application? We should have. ಮತ್ತದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. In spite of all these letter requesting produce documents in terms of the order of launching, you have not produced, application rejected. Finish. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೆಯಪ್ಪ, ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರು? Kartikeya office to show the name of the Kartikeya for the accused, for the counsel for the accused. Office director remove the name of Devendra for the accused. Yes. What is the Chandrakant Tarika? Don't worry. You don't worry that. We'll see later. Please read.
Take action in accordance with the section 64 of that by calling upon the third respondent to say whether he is putting up construction or has put up construction without obtaining sanction plan and building license. Action is required to be taken by the first respondent ground panchayat in accordance with the provisions of that. The action shall be initiated by the first respondent ground panchayat taking note of the observation of this code and representation given by the petitioner. After that, the notice was issued. Yes, all those materials before the
You are for the Gram Panchayat.
I am for the Gram Panchayat. The notice was issued, and the notice was issued to the
Third respondent. Third respondent.
Yes, third respondent in the petition. And he has replied. Before that, the council issued a notice dated 7/9/2021, which is annexed C here, for which also there was a reply that by the panchayat that there is a building plan. Before building plan was obtained, there was an order of conversion, and the building plan construction is in accordance with the sanction plan.
You pass orders.
And it was given. That is not.
You pass the order. That's all. Where's that order? Where's that?
No, they have not passed an order. 64 they have taken action. In the sense that they have given reply. And this is the order of informal report.
Action shall be initiated by first respondent.
Action is required to be taken by the first respondent.
You should pass some order. Why you are not pass the order?
I shall
Pass the order. Why you are not done, sir? This is order dated for 1st April 2021. More than 1 year over. Your people want to guidance from you or from the court.
They have taken, to be frank, they have taken guidance from the council who advised them that you need to act as per this. They have
1 year ಬೇಕಾ ಅದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಕೊಡದೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅವರು ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅವ್ರು ಅದರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್ ಗೋ ವೇರ್ ದಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ನೀವೇ ಅವ್ರು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸೋದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ದೇ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ unrepresented. What to do, Mr. Ariga? Sir, council court ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಲಾರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಆಗೋದು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ Initiate action against your lawyer, bar council. Then? ಇವಾಗ ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಲಾಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ 22 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳಿಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದವ್ರು ನಾವು ಸಾಟ್ ಸರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಫೈಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪೂರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವೈ ಯು ಫೈಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸ್ No, we are poor people. We are stitching in the glass. We are fighting against us. You have no voice except pen. Instead of voice, now you are using pen. After attending your association function, now you are using only pen. ಅದು ಪೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಗಳು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Now we learn lessons from the bar. 22 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ 22 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜಮೀನು ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲೋಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ, ದೇವ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ನಾವೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ, ದೇವ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ. ಎಂತ ಲಾಯರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು ತರಳೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಅವ್ನ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಹಾಕೋದು? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೈಡ್ ಇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್? ದುಡ್ಡುಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನೂ ಮಾಡಂಗಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 50% ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು 10 ಜನ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. 10 ಜನ ತೆಗೆದಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಾರಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಾರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಾರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಜನ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಸರ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ನಾವೇನು ಆಕಾಶದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. It damage to the lawyer, damage to the institution. That's how we live. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೋಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Respondent third unrepresented Sri, this court issued non-bail warrant to the accused 1 and 2 who are present before this court to judicial police. Sri Arigal Learned Counsel untaxed to file power for the accused 1 and 2. Senior counsel already filed for 6th time to comply the order for the single judge. Justice of 2 weeks. The order passed by this court issuing non-bail warrant to the accused dated 22/11/2021 is already implemented. Now, implemented ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. They are secured. They know the recall. ಅದೇ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. Already executed by the jurisdiction of police. The efforts made by the police are arrested. So on the police to execute the order. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನು? So and so is placed on record, appreciated. 2 weeks. ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವೇ ನಿಮ್ದೇನು ಕಥೆ ಇರ್ತಾ ಮುಗೀತು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕೇಳಬೇಡ. ಅವ್ರು ಕಿರಣ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತು, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರು ಲಾಯರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ ವೀರೇಶ್. Executed, where is the recalling? Executed. Kodi. This court by the order dated 24/11/2022, since the assistant sub inspector Raghu Karagodu appeared before this court 6th time on the ground the warrant was not yet received, which is a false statement, and this court issued non-bail warrant to the accused to judicial police. Accordingly, the judicial police executed the warrant to stop, and the accused is present before the court. Sri Bhatt, Learned Counsel, Sri S.N. Bhatt, untaxed to file power for the accused. ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
explained that 1,24,000 is due. Now today I am paying a sum of 35,000 rupees. And another remaining amount to be paid.
Where is your client? Yes, Tawali. Indit Barli.
35,000 cash is paid.
The Sri Bhatt on but through accused paid a sum of rupees 35,000 by way of cash to the complaint. Yen Mesro, Soumya, who is before the court through her counsel. Adon sign hakiಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ order sheet sign hakiಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And complaint has to sign the order sheet receipt of the said amount. Yes, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Why you bother now? The Bhatt is here. Why you bother testing the We are not here to installment. Punishment, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes, but ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು? 2 weeks. Yes. 2 weeks to file objection. Date ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Date. 15 December ಬಟ್ರೆ. Yes. Rajaram. Will dismiss. 5 ಸಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Finally, 1 week time is granted to comply the office objections, failing which the matter stands out on dismissed or referred to the court. ಹೋದ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Next matter same. Counsel for the complaint is present 6 times. Finally, 1 week time is granted. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಸುತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Agade. ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮವ್ರುಗಳು.
Partly complied.
You are partly complied, not fully complied. Mister, don't try to raise your voice. If you record a submission, subsequent objections rise, not earlier. You call officers, it is original objections, then you will be in trouble. You want to comply or not? Sorry. 1 week time is granted to comply office objections. You want to make allegation against the office. You want to comply, take time. Mr. Still is there. You want to comply, comply. You don't want to comply, record that, will dismiss. First, ಕಲೀರಿ. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹುಡುಗರು ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆರ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್. Yes.
Lord, I appear for the complainants, my lord, in these matters.
2010.
There was a stay by this honorable court in the writ appeals, which came to be dismissed, filed by the state government and TAPCMC on 14 December 2021. Thereafter, my lord, I have taken steps since there was a stay. Lord, there 4 of the complainants are dead. Hence, yes, I have filed applications. In fact, they were brought on record in the writ.
They have not complied. Your appeal is dismissed. SLP filed. ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೊರಗಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ಯಾರು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್?
Annexure C and B have not been complied.
ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. 2010 22 12 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಕಾಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು?
Copies have been served several times, my lord.
ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ.
Without which, as your lordship survivor, the registry will not even receive unless I serve it, my lord.
ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಸಂಪ್ಷನ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹಾಗೆ. I don't make any wrong submission, my lord. As your lordship survivor across the bar, I would not.
Sri G.R. Anantaram Learned Council submits that against the order for Learned Single Judge, dated 26 February 2009, made in WP 16/4/2007. The state filed appeal number yesterday.
Writ appeal number 3902 of 2010.
For Patina and so on, for filed appeal. Which
And
appeal
another
came
writ
to
appeal, I may be pardoned.
dismiss.
Another writ appeal 343 of 2010 filed by Taluk Panchayat. Both were dismissed.
ಎರಡು appeal number ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ. Came to dismiss on 14/12/2021.
Yes.
Till today, the state and others have not filed any appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court. Thereby, they are bound to comply the order passed by a single judge. Not complied. At this stage, Sri Arun, 6th time. Call next week, finally. 2010. We will allow all these applications. IA2, IA1 2022, CD in filing the LR application of the complaint number 3 and setting aside abatement and bring the LRs IA2, IA3 are allowed. Next to IA4 in as per complaint number 7, 506, Avadu Mata complaint 7 allowed. 6278 1D allowed. IA1 to 19, fifth complaint is also allowed.
Much. I shall carry out them.
Allowed. All applications allowed. Amend caste title immediately.
I shall do it in the course of the day itself.
Amended caste title should be filed within a week.
Much. I shall do it. Much.
Sanjeev. You can't help it. Engage somewhere, you can't help it. What is the violation? Ian copies out of what is the violation, sir? What is the file? Huh? ಅಣ್ಣ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಣ್ಣ ದೇವರಾಜು ಓದೋಣ ಇದು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಓದೋಣ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೇಟೆಡ್ 1/8/2019 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಓದು. ಅನೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಎ page 13. Writ petition allowed in part. Odi. Let him read. Don't disturb him. Arju. Hello. Page 13. Writ petition allowed.
Page number 13, 1-3, last para.
ಅದು ಯಾವ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದಾರೋ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಓದಿ. ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಅಂತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಏನೇನ
Operative portion of the order.
ಯಶು ಸಾತ್ ಲಾಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಪೇಜ್ 13 ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲೌಡ್. ಅದು ಓದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯ. ಅದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರಿಟಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಾನು. ಅದು ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓದಪ್ಪ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಎ ರಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್. Expeditiously.
Issuance of this right to consider representation will not be consulted or
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Consider representation. What happened? Then you will issue warrant. No, sir. No, sir. HCP that take notice for the accused last time ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಬೇಕಾ? ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ವೈ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ. ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್. ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗಾತ ನೀವು. ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಎಥಿಕ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮೊದ್ಲ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಕಾಪಿ? At the request of the Lord Government to get for this matter next week, to get the instruction what happened, direction issued by this court in operative portion para 2. And file a compliance report, failing which the accused shall be present before this court. ಸಂಜೀವ್, ಆ ಹುಡುಗನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಮಧ್ಯ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ಬರಬೇಡಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ವಜಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ತೆಗೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ಕಾರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಓದಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಬೇಕು ಕೇಸು. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹುಡುಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬಂದ ಓದಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಕೊಡೋದು, ನೀವು ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಕಾಲಿಂಗ್? ಏನು ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನಾರ್ದನ್? ಸದಾಶಿವಯ್ಯ, meanwhile the complainant shall comply the office of failing accused shall failing which all the accused including the applicant shall remain. Lake, what happened? Done. What is?
Agreements entered into between the successful bidders for the contract and the apparently
ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 10th October 2022. 1 October. ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಇದು 10th October 2020 ಸರ್. ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ 2019. ನೌ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 2010. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾರತ್ತಪ್ಪ? As per the agreement ಅಲ್ಲ, as per the order of the single judge. Now we will give a specific time, 1 month. Why? Where is Sadashiva?
Notification of the
There are also allegations to inquest. We dispose of allegation to put an is jeopardy. We dispose of patient directing government authority to take appropriate steps. No, Daddy. Where is Sadashiva? I hope and expect. How much time you want? Ask him. Why all these days not done from 2017, 2022? Anna, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 5 years. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಕೋಟಿಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Where is Sadashiva? ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 5 ವರ್ಷ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Sir, Mr. Government Advocate. See, Leonard Government Advocate now becomes senior counsel. She is before this court. If you don't implement, it is insulting her. Insulting court. She has taken all pains to ensure regenerate the lake. But you are not respecting that submission made on instruction from the government. No. You will pass over. Let him file affidavit before this court. Within 3 months, we will complete all entire regeneration and pass the order. Pass over. Stating that 2017 order we already started and the regeneration of lake will be done within 3 months. Completely done. Pass over. Yes, Jardhan, what is this? Yes, sir. We are not compliant. Copy code over. Contempt persons transport liberty contempt reverse contempt license even state being unsuccessful. Whether what happened writ appeal? Sir, read the operative portion, sir. Mr. Janardhan, when the matter is pending, how will applicant maintainable? Read the order. Page 3. They are sitting on the court. ಅದು ಬೇಡ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಆಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. In the light of the order passed by question of taking further steps in the proceedings does not arise. For the present, this contempt proceedings stands closed with liberty to the complainant to revive these contempt proceedings in the event of the state being unsuccessful in the writ appeal or complaint being successful in intra-court appeals which are pending for consideration before this court.
But then here it is not compared. That's why I said because at least let them compare get the order. Not consider that the point of time. If you hope that recovery will be taken for participation.
Yes, sir. If the coordinate bench of this court only says writ appeal pending is there, ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, subsequently there is an order by the writ appeal court that is 27/5/15 after this order. ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ? You implement the interim order, then we'll see. Copy ಕೊಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. Leonard counsel for the complaint is directed to serve a copy of the IAS to the government advocate. Yes. ಏನಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ? All right, pass. Memo. Memo applicato.
Now the undertaking has been completed.
Memo for withdrawal IA 1/2022 filed to recall the order date 24/11/2021 is dismissed as withdrawn. Consequently, IA 1/22 also dismissed. Yes. Yes, Suma.
Connected matter was the renewal of the last. It is 60 days.
What is this matter? Oh. All right, pass on. Page. Journal Council for Complaint filed the memo dated 1/12/2022. Memo placed on record with contempt and dismissed as not passed. Consequently, all the applications also disposed of not further for consideration. Yes, sir. Operate along the annexures filed by the AGA. Where you complied. The Lebanon government had to get an instruction will submit that the accused would comply the order of the coordinate bench. ಅದು ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಜನಾರ್ದನ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಇದು ಏನೋ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯನ ಇದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆತರ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ಉಚ್ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ದುಡ್ಡವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ರಿಟಾಪಿಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಎಂಟೈಟ್ಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟಾಪಿಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಸ್ ಆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ even permitted to all. There is no need every person should come to the court. Yes, Gautam Mulal. Yes. Who are you, sir, impleading anta illi? Where the impleading contempt? Sir, who are you? Where the contempt here? We have passed the detailed order. We have nothing to do with this order. Only the complaint also nothing. Now we brought to notice of this court. What is the action taken by these people? That's all. ನಿಮ್ದಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
The complaint was also lodged by the NCR was registered. Subsequently, they gave this complaint. And there are not the situation of the order was passed. The person who went there to the spot selected by the complaint. But in another than the executive union to carry out the work.
Yes.
What of deviating work? Nothing to do with the police power. Eventually, the HCK Ch.No.3 package was.
We should ensure you have implemented the concerned sub-inspector? Yes, you won't take notice, concerned sub-inspector? Let him file. Why action should not be taken against him? Kodi. Kodi. Approve Kodi. How can he issue NCR, sir, in spite of the court order? Court order says to initiate proceedings in the light of the Lalit Kumar case. And your officer just ignored. He has no business, sir. He should register the case. So the division bench, the single judge says.
The complaint was given, it is the DP petition, not for road widening activity. That is the difficulty.
Read the order.
Only read the order passed by the single judge.
These people, they are taking the law in their own hands.
Page 15, para 3. Yes.
And to take action in accordance with law. Later by Lalita Kumar's case and accord
necessary protection required in aid of the civil court decree. Civil court decree granted in favor of the complaint as long back as on 27/1/2021. Appeal filed dismissed 16/6/2006. RSA dismissed 13/6/2008. SLP dismissed 16/12/2008. Thereby declaring the owner is confirmed up to Supreme Court. He has no business to interpret civil dispute. First you should give the protection, then he can do whatever he wants.
He has not interpreted the order of the entire incident has taken place.
All right, then we'll frame the charge, Mr. Adkar, then we'll see.
That is the annexure R. This is the complaint lodged by the executive engineer, Mahadevapura Vibhaga. On the same day, he went in fact on this spot.
Sir, we all lodge a complaint. Once the decree brought our notice, when the order of learned single judge says, you should give aid to the decree. He bound to give the aid to the decree.
Decree is not allowed.
Oh, it is not an issue. All right.
Here the issue is
You will frame the charge.
when
And argue the matter.
you go to that, there was acquisition proceedings, NDC annexure R.
Mr. Advocate General, simple case before this court is violation of the order of learned single judge. Don't mix up everything. Other things we are not concerned. Read the order of learned single judge. The order of single judge keeping in mind the representations and the decree obtained by plaintiff, this court passed the order. This order is final. He is bound to comply the order of learned single judge. Merely because BBMP engineer or some engineer given a complaint, you want to implement the engineer complaint, not the court order. What type of duty is doing? Difficulty is that you should have gone before the single judge. Alge bittila. Alge bittila.
And then give protection.
And accordance but required in aid of the civil court decree.
Now, what are the
What is the problem, sir? All right.
so far as the decree is concerned, my lord?
Mr. Advocate General, don't support this type of officers. You should guide properly. You say senior complaint ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. Senior complaint ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ignore Supreme Court order. Can you lead complaints? You mean to say all officers, seniors, BWD, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೇನಾಗಬೇಕು. That is attitude. Then we'll show.
There was not acquisition proceedings taken place, Lord. Whether that acquisition or
Who are you to decide? Inspector. You are just inspector to obey the court orders. You have no business to interpret whether acquisition done or not done. Who are you to decide?
preliminary stage. We have not filed it.
You should have filed the appeal. You are making allegation now. Istottu ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ now you are making allegation against the judge. Then
Dispose of in only this direction as the last filed. Subsequently, we found out that this is the BBMP activity which was going on, not by any third party interference. This is nothing to do with the economic.
sir, even BBMP activities, if there is a decree, first you should complain, then
BBMP officers are executing more acquisition.
all right. If that is your argument, then we will frame the charge. Barakali ಅವರು.
There are 2-3 more points I will point out, Lord. We have not, in fact, written to the concerned official to identify the land. The land is not identified. There is a categorical finding by the land survey department that they are unable to identify. The Tahsildar also gave a report saying that we are unable to identify. When the land itself is not identified, for giving protection and they should come forward, we give it. We have even undertaken because it's not you give protection, it's not difficult, but land is not identified. There is a one.
We have to identify, court has to identify.
They have to get it identified. Proper
Where is the identification? The decree itself is the identification.
exact who is in possession.
So who are you to decide? Mr. Advocate General, who are to decide when the court says he is in possession granted injunction declaration? All right, if that is your attitude, we can't help it.
We have covered it. Next,
All right, we'll frame the charge.
made to the concerned authorities to identify the land. They are unable to identify. That is our.
Who are you, sir? In terms of the decree, there is a schedule. In terms of the decree, you should bound. You have no business to issue NCR. Endorsement. That is after.
We have even undertaken to difficult. We have complicated road. They are unable to identification of the
All right, we'll come back. 2:30, we'll come back. Police people started interfering with the court decree and identification. Who are they to identify? When decree ಹೋದ್ರಿ decree ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. In spite of the decree, you want a direction ಇಚ್ಚಿ land ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. Tomorrow ಅಲ್ಲ 2:30. All right, counsel for the complaint, 6th time, adjourn next week. The accused persons shall remain present next date appeal. Next week, ಇವತ್ತು ಗಂಟು ಸಹ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದು, ಇವತ್ತು ಗಂಟು ಸಹ. Sir, we want to ensure the orders with the complaint. We want time, we can't help it. ನಮಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅವರೇ, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇವರು ಅವರು ಅದೇನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಕಲರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಾತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಧರ್ಮ ಎರಡೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ತೋಚಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಡರ್ ಬಂದ್ರು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಡರ್. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಆಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೀನಪ್ಪ. ಎಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ. ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವಿರೋದ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರೀ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರು ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. 7th ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 5 ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಗುರುವಾರ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ ಮದುವೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಏಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮಹಾನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ರು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾ.
So serial number 74 ಏನು ಅರ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್?